Alarm not ringing after updating to iOS 26? Here's the quick fix. First one, verify alarm settings. Open the clock app and make sure the alarm is turned on. Set to the correct time and repeat days. After that, at the top, click on the tick mark. When the time you set arrives, the alarm will start ringing. Second one, adjust volume. Go to settings. Scroll down and select sounds and haptics. Now look for the ringer and alerts volume option. Drag the slider to increase the volume. To stop the volume buttons from changing the alert volume, turn off the change with buttons toggle. Third one, check for Bluetooth connections. Ensure your phone isn't connected to any Bluetooth device. If connected, it receives the alarm sound, so make sure to turn off the Bluetooth device. If still doesn't work, fourth one, disable focus modes. Swipe from the top right to open the control center and turn off the focus mode if it is on. Fifth one, restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. A simple restart can fix minor glitches. If still it doesn't fix? Sixth one, disable attention-aware features. Go to Settings, scroll down, and click on Face ID and Passcode. Again, scroll down and turn off the toggle next to the attention-aware features. This may reduce the alert volume when your phone detects you're looking at it, after trying all the above steps. If the issue is still not fixed, then try. Seventh one, reset all settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General. Then, scroll to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap Reset. A menu will pop up. Tap on the Reset All Settings. Again, tap Reset All Settings to confirm. This will not erase your personal data, but it will reset all your device's settings. This may fix the issue, and that's it.